What's up, gadgeteers? Welcome back to Gadget Bear. Today we have some accessories to review from Spigen for the Cybertruck. We're going to start with the front display and rear display screen protectors and the center console organizers. Without further ado, let's get started. All right, there you have it. This is the installation for the Spigen, the front display. Now it is a little hard, you know, these installations are not perfect. There's a lot of lint rolling around through your vehicle, so just make sure that the AC is off and that you have it on screen mode, and just wish for the best. Mine's not perfect, but you can really tell. It looks absolutely fantastic. This one's a little bit easier. Besides the cleaning and removing of the dust, it does come with the installation tray. The one in the rear is a little bit more difficult, but it does come with two little handles that you can go ahead and easily align the screen in the rear. So I'm going to go ahead and show you that right now. And this is the installation in the rear. As you can see, it came out just fine. You got to clean it, wipe it, remove any dust or debris. Does not come with the installation tray, but it does come with some little handles that you can go ahead and align the screen just fine. And the one in the front does come with the installation tray, making it for a lot easier to install, but it is a little bit difficult as well trying to get it lint free. So don't worry about that, just try your best and you will succeed. All right, so this is the bottom portion of the center console from Spigen. It's just a very nice durable tray, hard plastic, and you do have like this track pattern there with Spigen branding there, and this goes at the bottom. Fits very nice, as you can see. And this is the top organizer, also very nice. You do have a cutout there to run your USB cable if you want, and it holds it. Very nice and sturdy tray. This bad boy just goes in like this. Sits very nice on top, as you can see. Boom, fits nice and flush. Very nice. This is a nice rubbery lined bottom. Put your glasses, pen, notepad, or anything. You can run your cable through here, or you can rub it through here anyway, and it's gonna run just fine. Spigen right there, and absolutely looks nice and closes with no issues. Bam! Put your stuff, and the bottom, close it, and you're done. So there you have it, gadgeteers. Those are Spigen Cybertruck accessories for you to take advantage. These screen protectors are some of the best screen protectors. They do make smartphone screen protectors, and they are really good. And these are no different. They are really good premium screen protectors. They are anti-glare, which I absolutely love on big screens like my Cybertruck. Easy to install, very nice and premium. The organization trays are made from excellent durable material, hard plastic with some soft plastic lining on the inside. Absolutely fantastic. Links will be in the description of the video if you want to go ahead and pick them up for yourself. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and like always, I'll talk to you on the next one. Peace.